are your top 16 from a field of 1,100 pilots. These 16 will battle it out for $10,000 and a DRL contract. Make some noise for your Championship 16.
Finals are about to get underway for the Pro Division Top 16. They just did pilot introductions, and they're getting the first heat queued up, ready to go. Super excited for what we got in store. I think they're going to let me rock some microphone action as well. So should be a good time, and this is going to be it. All right, so this is going to be heat number 1 of our Top 16. It's Night Fury with red props, Hyper with red props, Drobot with pink and clear props, and Bull FPV with the blue props.
Live on the tune in less than 5.
Night Fury with the whole shot. Looks like Drobot in the 2 spot right now. Now Hyper into the mix. Hyper caught the dive gate. Wasn't able to get back up. So, it looked like a bobble there for Night Fury. Should bring Bull FPV through, leading the way right now. Drobot just passed him in the corkscrew. So first and second is Bull and Drobot. Taylor and Mason, Hyper rather, 3rd and 4th, but leader's starting to stretch out a little bit now. Looked like Hyper caught a gate on the first one, so did Night Fury, first lap rather. Now we got 2 remaining. Drobot's got a pretty big lead right now. He was the highest seed in this qualifier, or in this heat rather, 3rd place from the qualifying round, so he was kind of the favorite going into this. Sean's still in the air. Top 2 going to transfer. Whoa. This is a bad place to stand.
To move on in our winner's bracket. 1 to finish, it'll be Night Fury to slide across in the number 3 spot, and Hyper we lost on the opening lap.
So this is Heat 2, Vanover, Johnny Fly, Drobot Racer, and Amari.
Live on the tone in less than 5. Off to the races we go. Here's Captain Amari after the whole shot ball like Captain Dan and Johnny Fly and Bull FPV.
Amari had a miscue. He had the lead in front of Vanover, caught a gate, had to do a go back. That's going to put Vanover in the lead as they come to the RDQ corkscrew. As they come right in front of us here, it's going to be Vanover and Doma. And I think Johnny Fly. Oh, we got 2 down on the backside. Those are some of our front runners. 3rd with a wreck. It was Johnny Fly with a wreck. Vanover's still at the front. I think Amari got back to 2nd, but he just rang the bell.
That was a sitting up the field with that. Amari in 2nd, 9-second back from first place finisher, and 0.6 seconds back to that transfer position. There's Captain Dan, he is first, and it's going to be Amari as we work through this triple point.
Vanover takes the win. Amari coming across to take 2nd. So those 2 stay in the winner's bracket. Everybody else goes to that loser's side, where if they lose again, they're out of it. Alright, so this is going to be the 4th heat of the first round.
Live on the tone, less than 5.
Ooh. Got a couple going down back of the pack, but Evan's got a pretty sizable lead right now. It's going to be coming through the RDQ corkscrew right about here. Coming right for us right about here. Looking right at him. Around the corner. 2nd spot. Looks to be maybe Miwo. Yeah, it is. 4th spot, I think. Neuchel, then Saber after that. Ooh, big bobble there by that. Heads up. Caught a gate, but still flying. We got somebody with a bent prop. Maybe that was Miwo that caught the gate on the backside. This copter does not sound happy. Ooh, that looked like maybe somebody went down. Fourth spot runner.
A TBS gated, checkered, and inverted.
He did an inverted finish like a boss.
Looks like Neuchel crashed out there on lap number 3, so this is a sure bet for Miwo.
Good clean run. Heads up and Miwo moving on. Pretty rad.
When you're racing with someone, seeing someone in front of you, you see how fast.
So we're into the final four, what they call Chase the Ace. Vanover won the first one, Heads Up won the second one. So coming down to the wire here, first one with 2 wins gets it. So if Vanover or Heads Up win, race is over, they win. If somebody else wins, we race one more time.
Because, you know,
You just make hoping it doesn't end.
Heads Up, I think is going to take it, but I want to see another race, so I'm saying like BMS.
That's sweet.
You know what I'm saying? Like, fuck it.
Hydrab, you can bet on pilots.
Yeah.
All right, they're off. It looks like maybe Drobot with a bit of a hole shot, but now Heads Up takes it back. No, that's Vanover right with them. They were nose to tail. Vanover had a bit of a bobble, had to go back. Nope, check that. They are right with each other still. Vanover has taken the spot from Heads Up. Heads Up wants it back. Now it looks like Heads Up has it back. They are nose to tail. Here they come through the Black Sheep gate, now to the second dive gate. Going to be coming right at us right now. Oh, bobble there by Vanover. He caught the top of the RDQ tower, and that's going to give Heads Up a little bit of space. Vanover just clipped the top of the chicane section. And here comes Evan, about to become 2019 MultiGP champ and the next DRL pilot. He did the football spike thing. I'm gonna go check out his busted copter because it's gonna be very busted. It's over here rearming. Oh God, sorry battery. Sorry arm. Sorry speed control. Well, maybe speed control's okay. Hey sir, I think you dropped something. Congratulations, bro. That was crusher.
Thanks, dude.
Oh well, my bad.
I don't think you'll break it.
Congratulations. Hold the shirt up for me. Welcome to the DRL, buddy. Evan Turner, Heads Up. And that's Evan's mechanic right there. Mondo builds Evan's fleet. Good work, buddy. Mondo's also an excellent frame designer. Designs Evan's frames. The 533. Saturday night, it's 9:30. It's real dark in the car. My chauffeur is taking me back to the rental house because the GP Championships are to a close. We're leaving the stadium for the final time.